loves, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are in the know, if you're stopping by for the very first time, welcome my sweets. I'm getting a lot of new followers and I'm so glad that you're stopping by to say hello, have a little look-see. And guess what, my darlings? Mi casa su casa. My home is your home. So if you're looking at me and saying, Fumi, you're looking kind of fresh, we love the makeup look. Well, thank you, my darlings. It's all about naughty. Were you naughty or were you nice this year? That's what they say, you know, at Christmas. So what kind of present are you getting? Here we have the Naughty palette from Huda Beauty. It's been out for a while. It's just that I'm getting through all of my PR. I'm getting through all of my palettes that I bought and everything. And I decided that let us try this palette out. And these are the colors right here. What do we have? We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 beautiful, interesting shades. It also has a mirror, which I kind of liked because I was able to, you know, do my makeup with it. And it has the Huda Beauty logo right down there. You can see like my makeup and everything's a mess. And yes, my darlings, I want you guys to sit back and we're going to have a lovely talk through, just a little chitter chatter, and we are going to try the Naughty palette by Huda Beauty. So darlings, we are going to go in with Arouse. Yeah, going to go in with this shade right here. And I've already done my base. What I do is that when I kind of clean up my brow, I use a foundation from the MAC Pro Conceal palette. It's a mess. And I just clean it and I just drag it down. Now, Huda has a mirror, so I'm going to use that and I'm just going to punch in. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot. You're too confident, girl. You're too confident. I'm just going to play with the palette. Just playing with the palette and see where that leads me. That's nice, isn't it? Such a lovely color. Arouse. Well, it is the Naughty palette. It could have also come out for Valentine's. It would have worked for Valentine's. It would have, you know, and then you can kind of just brush a little bit on top. Yeah. Just a little bit. You don't have to add any more. Just leave it as is and just brush it on top. Yeah. We're going to take Shameless, this shade right here. Shameless. And I'm gonna put this on the high points of my brow right there. How are you guys doing? Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. I'm gonna bring it a little bit forward all the way. It's almost like pink stardust. That's it, yes. Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? And it's a very soft, creamy kind of consistency. I like it. It does settle very well on top of the mat. Untamed. Just going to punch it in all the way there from the edge. Don't worry about it. We're going to blow that out and really buff it, but let us bring that in as much as we can. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks nice. That looks nice. And just buff it. Just buff it out. Buff it all the way. All the way, all the way. Adrian is growing. Adrian is growing so fast. He's learning so quickly. Ah, I'm in awe. It is one of the hardest jobs ever. I think for me, which I never took into account, is how much you worry about your children, their safety, you know, protecting them from the world. You never realize until you have yours. You never realize this until you have yours. and you want the world to be perfect for them. I will say that so far the shadows are beautiful. They're pigmented. The blendability is gorgeous. So for those of you that are intimidated by color, or you think, oh my God, I'm going to make a mistake, blah, 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 this is fabulous. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go underneath the eye just to bring it all together. With a smaller brush, we're going to go in with Spicy. Spicy is a cooler color than Untamed, and we're going to just put that right on the edge right there. Right there, on the outer V. And we're just going to punch that in. I like a lot. And just kind of just sweep it in there. And you can even bring it in a little bit. Yes. I'm going to bring out my MAC again, and we're just going to cut the shadow, and I'll show you what I mean. You know, I mix them just to try to get combo right here. And then, look. There we go. I think that will clean, just to clean it up a little bit. And we do it on the other side. Voila. See, there we go. And nobody would be the wiser. Oh, do something different, folks, you know. And just buff it. And there you have. Now, a lot of you asked me when I did, I think the Pat McGrath makeup tutorial, a lot of you said, Fumi, what is this gel that you keep on using and it just pops up the colors and everything? Because I'm going to go in with this beautiful color called Desire right down here, this shade right here, and it is absolutely beautiful. But I have realized that this glue is everything. As a matter of fact, I have couple. Let me show you my addiction. Look at that. I am not running out of this. This is by an indie brand called Afunki. Amazing, amazing. And she's in possession of the best glitter glue, poppy glue ever. It is very much like a gel. You can call it a glue, you can call it a gel. And this is what it looks like. See? And it is amazing. It is amazing. It is clear, so there's no base, and you just have the color. Absolutely beautiful. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is Desire. Yeah, and it just, there you go. It just fires it off. And what I like about it, because it's a gel, it goes on moist and then it dries. So you can literally cut your crease right here. There you go. And then I just stamp it a little bit on the side here. Oh, it's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Going with Shameless. And let's go into the tear duct. Just to pop it. Yes. And we do it with the other eye. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. And we're going to put some in the waterline too. The eyes just seem to be so awake. Huh? My darlings, what do we think? And that was Shameless that I put in the waterline. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my mascara on. You guys already know. I'm going to use Bad Girl Bang mascara. And I think... Beauty by JJ Chalmers. So we're going to go in with these lashes. And I'll be right back. What do we think, guys? What do we think? I like this palette. I like this palette. It is very yummy, very pigmented. Naughty was nice. Especially how I highlighted, you know, my waterline with Shameless that I also had right up here. The colors really married each other. I can clearly see that. So we're going to go in with some blusher. I am taking Beauty Bakeries, yeah, Coffee and Cocoa, yeah, I have a discount code with them, Fumi, yep I do. And we are going to go in, oh, this color looks nice. Let's try. Let's just see what this looks like. Let's just see. It's got a honeycomb hue to it. Yes. Very nice indeed. And let's put some right on the sides of the temples. Oh, yes. It's gorgeous. Let's put some on this side too. Oh yes, it's a different kind of blusher. And then I think I want to go, it's called Antidepresso. This is called Antidepresso. And then I think I want to go in with La Vida Mocha. Let's go in with La Vida Mocha just to brighten that up. But I'm living for it. Yes. Just punch it in there and leave it as is. Beauty Bakery, you did that. Oh, you did that. You did that. You did that. Yes, I like it. I do like it. Donut face, I like it. Oh God. And then if it's a bit too much, just tape it down a little bit. But no, I don't want to tape it down. I like it. And we're going to go with Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is called Pink Tourmaline. So let's see how that plays out. And let me just stick with the Naughty palette. I like this. Yes. Yes, I like this a lot. I do. I do. That does work for me. That does work for me. And then I'm going to take Naomi. This is in collaboration Vanessa Juvia's Place. Discount code Fumi2. Yeah. That works. what do I think? I love this. If I'm going out for dinner, I want to look, you know, cute and everything, this would work for me. Absolutely. I love the Naughty palette. I love it. It really surprised me, as a matter of fact, because I swatched it earlier on my IG stories, and I absolutely love this palette. It is a must-have. I think you should have this palette. It really works. It's got all the colors that you will need. It's got the, you know what? How about this? I did not use my JUVIAS Please Chat. If you've been following me forever, you know how much I reach out for that black, for that depth, for that inner depth. I did not do that with this look. Not at all. I put a little bit of a liner, but that was it. But all of this right here, it was gorgeous. It came from this palette. And she has 3 different dark ones here with different hues. And she's got shimmers and she's got satins. I know she's got this little one here, which I didn't try. You know what? Should I swatch it? Let me swatch it on the back of my hand for you guys, so that we know what the drama is all about. And it's not even that dramatic. I would say it's the least dramatic in the palette. And I didn't swatch, you know, because I feel like it really just has to be on the eye, the consistency and everything. And this is just, you know, I think it's just something to discuss and get the palette going. The palette didn't need it. How about that? Huda, it didn't need it. It didn't need it. The palette is gorgeous. I absolutely, and this right here on the waterline, what is it called again? Shameless. One of the, woo, that is Shameless. In comparison to the gel thing that they had. Just look at how gorgeous this is. And that is what is in my waterline. And I just feel like it really just woke up my eye. I live for this. I absolutely do. And I love this. The Coffee and Cocoa palette by Beauty Bakerie. Don't forget to use my discount code FUMI for Beauty Bakerie. They've got gorgeous stuff too. I've done a tutorial on them. But this was all about Huda and the Naughty palette. And it is absolutely, absolutely F.D.V approved, my darlings. Yes. All right, my darlings, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I love this. I absolutely, absolutely love this. And it's one of my faves. One of my faves. As soon as we're able to go up and out, I will be recreating this look so that I can step up and out. Hope you enjoyed the episode, my darlings. I hope all is well with you. Don't forget to like, to subscribe. Leave all of your suggestions down below for whatever you would like for me to do next. I do not mind. I'm so glad that you enjoyed the Sister to Sister. Again, let me know what you would want me to talk about next. Like I said, this is my channel, but guess what? It's your show. All of my love, darlings. Mwah, 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 mwah.